doing? Does it feel good? It's too hot here for you? Yeah? You just enjoying your fan? That fan was for me, but apparently we're gonna share. What's that? Am I bothering you?